What is the capital of Czech Republic? So the capital of Czech Republic is Prague. That is option A. And its currency is koruna. It's not corona, it's koruna. Now let's go to the next question. Which team has won the gold medal at Badminton Asia Team Championship 2020 held at Manila, the Philippines in men's event? So the answer to this question is Indonesia. Here in this event, Indonesia got the gold medal, whereas Malaysia silver and India bronze. And the women's team who got the gold medal is from the country Japan. Now let's go to the next question. The capital and the currency of the country Cuba is, okay, the capital and the currency of the country Cuba is Havana. This is the capital, and peso is the currency. Next question. Bandar Seri Bhagwan is the capital of, this is the capital of Bahrain. I may pronounce different, but it's okay. Option E is the answer. Next question. International Monetary Fund, that is IMF, expects Guyana to be the fastest growing country with an economic growth of 86% in 2020. What is the capital of Guyana? So the capital is Georgetown. This is the capital and even the chief port of Guyana. Next question. Port Louis is the capital of, this is the easy one, it's the capital of Mauritius, and the currency of Mauritius is Mauritian rupee. Next question. Currency of Denmark is, the currency of Denmark is krone. This is Danish krone. As you can see in the option B, it's written Danish. Danish represents Denmark, so you can get this correct. That is Danish krone. And the currency code for this is DKK. Let's see the next question. The capital of Zambia is, the capital of Zambia is Lusaka. This is in the south central part of the country, and option C is the answer. Next question. Which of the following is not among the state and union territories that underwent a name change after their creation? Okay, we know Chhattisgarh remained Chhattisgarh till now after its creation, so Chhattisgarh is the answer, whereas Uttarakhand was earlier known as Uttaranchal, Puducherry was earlier known as Pondicherry, and Odisha was earlier known as Odisha. Next question. Dirham. Dirham is the currency of, it's Morocco. Morocco's currency is Moroccan dirham. Next question. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan visited Mongolia for 3 days during October. What is the currency of Mongolia? Okay, the currency of Mongolia is Torog. The sign is Turuk sign, and so option E is the answer. Next question. Which of the following pair of capital and currency of the country is correct? Now, the first is all the capitals and the second one is the currencies. Now let's see which one matches and which is the correct pair. So Bamako. Bamako is the capital of Mali and the currency of Bamako is South African CFA francs. So CFA francs, this is correct. Now let's see the other one, as we have an option all of the above. So we need to check all the options. Option number B, Dakar. Dakar is the capital of Senegal and the currency of Dakar is CFA France. So even this is correct, and we know when two of the options are correct, so we can go for all of the above, but let's cross check option C and D. Port Louis, it's the capital of Mauritius and the currency for this is Mauritian rupee, that is rupee. And Banjul, Banjul is the capital of Gambia and its currency is Dalasi. Hence, as all the options are correct and the correct pair of capital and currency, so option E is the correct answer, that is all of the above. Next question. Recently, Indian Prime Minister Mr. Ramnath Kovind visited the Gambia to sign some MOUs with his counterpart. What is the capital of Gambia? Okay, the capital of Gambia is Banjul. As we did this in the earlier question, that was Banjul, the capital of Gambia, and the currency Dalasi. Here it's asked the capital of Gambia, that is Banjul. Let's go to the next question. Riel is the currency of, this is the currency of Cambodia. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Question 15. What is renminbi? Now, let me tell you, renminbi is the official currency of China and one of the world's major reserve currencies. But we knew that currency of China is yuan, but yuan is the basic unit of renminbi. So, let's see. Option A says it is the official currency of the People's Republic of China, that is PRC, whose principal unit is yuan. Yes, it's correct. Option B says low cost car being developed by Volkswagen in China at price lower than the Nano. No, this is not related to that. Option C says new aircraft company floated by Brazil to challenge Boeing and Airbuses. No, it's not that. Option D, new currencies mooted for the entire Asian region like Euro for Europe. No, this is not the answer. So the correct answer is A. Renminbi is the official currency of the People's Republic of China, PRC, whose principal unit is yuan. Next question says Lusaka is the capital of. Okay, Lusaka is the capital of Zambia, like we did it earlier too in the other question in other form. Next question. Which country's currency is Gultram? So the currency of Bhutan is Gultram, and Gultram is subdivided into 100 chetams, like 1 rupee is divided into 100 paisa. Similarly, Gultram is subdivided into 100 chetams. Next question. What is the capital of Kosovo? Okay, Kosovo is a self-declared independent country in the Balkans region of Europe, and the capital of Kosovo is Pristina, that is option C, Pristina. Next question. Which among the following is the capital of Mozambique? The capital of Mozambique is Maputo. Option D is the correct answer. Now let's see the last question, that is the capital of Lakshadweep is. Okay, after a long time an Indian name, the capital of Lakshadweep is Kavarati, whereas the largest city of Lakshadweep is Androt. So the answer to this question is Kavarati.